We're going to be playing, don't press the button number 4. So we're just going to be watching. Hey, move out of my way. Both team. Okay, well, both. I'm gonna. Oh, ASOS. I thought it was 2D. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, I can't really stop it. I have no Robux. It's kind of being. Oh, poo. Somebody go, whoa. Yo, I stepped in it. Yeah. Whoa, yo. Yeah. Yum. Yo, my name is Iloco8. If you can see it. Yeah. Okay. I tried to. Well, I kind of love. Yum. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You get on my way. Oh. Okay. Okay. No, I'm good. Okay. Geels. Oh, Geel. Let me find another Geel. Hey, let me get that. Well, give me that. Go. Yum. Insult Geel. Yeah, this takes a long time. Find the remaining Geels. Yeah! My button has been replaced. Replaced. This. Oh yeah, this is a tape measure. Okay. I got the tape measure. Now what do I do now? What do I do now? Yay! I did. Oh, I need to do this 5 times. Okay, well. My blueprint. Here's your blueprint. Take them. Okay, done. Yeah! Your hammer. Pick up. Okay. Yeah, okay. Get to the end. Oh, wow, why is it so thingy mo, you know? Oh. Oh, yeah, wait, okay. No! Oh, wait, oh. Okay, I can do this. I can do them. I'm making a little each. Yay, I did it. Yay. Oh, nap! Yeah. Okay, well. Green. No, I need no. Yum. No. Green. No. Okay. No. You this is so confusing. Yo. Okay. Yeah, that was confusing. Watch out, monkeys. Yo, why you have a bomb? Oh. He just exploded. Okay, reach the end. Oh, yeah, where are we? Okay. I thought that was invisible. Yeah. No! Yo. Okay, so last night, if the world was ending, I wanna be. Okay, avoid being grilled. I don't want to be grilled. Who said pizza? I like pizza. Okay, you'll be yo. Oh, yo. No, yeah. Okay, okay, no. This side being grillful. This side being grillful. Okay. Okay, this is morning. Okay. Okay. Go get to the end. Be sure that okay. I was about to sip. Yum! Okay, what's up? Up! Ha ha ha! That was so funny. Yup! I did it. I did it! Okay, man. Yo, what's that ugly? Get to the ad. What are we doing? Oh, I can't jump. Oh. No. Okay. Okay, what? Okay. Yo, we're just gonna look down at people. Yeah, okay, I think I can do buy princess, which is, I think buy okay, monkey skin, okay. Pet Concord can do it. Oh, okay. How we, yo, what? Okay. Watch out for mines. Yo, mine. Yum. Yo, I'm just gonna get away from it if possible. Oh, okay. Ha ha ha. I don't have to watch out for mine now. Oh, and wait, are we supposed to go towards it or not? Okay, no, everywhere. Oh man. Yo. Hey, I can do it with my jumping powers. I can do it. I can do it. I just got coined. Yum! Reach to the end. Where is the end? Oh, we're supposed to do that. I'm recording. Yeah, this is the Okay, boring. Oh, that bouncy. Oh, boing. Okay, so that scared me. Okay, well we boinging tonight. Yeah, I want to have them. No, wait, no, let me get that coin. No, that guys, let me get that coin. I'm gonna get that coin. Let me get that coin. Yes, I got the coin. Okay, wait. Quickly, get to the top. Okay, where's the top? Okay. Quickly, get to the top. Time is... Oh! Okay. Okay, well, these people are dying, so, like, it's fine. Yo. You ready for Spell leaf. Oh! Yo, why can't I jump? Yo, I'm pressing jump! I'm pressing jump as hard as I possibly can. Okay, I think I cooked. Oh, okay. Well, you mean it? Yo, I'm just kind of jumping for my life. That wasn't. Yeah. Ding dong dong. I bounce on. Okay, only one person. Okay, we just did the top of the mountain. Where's the top of the mountain? Yeah, but I can. Oh, Yum! The bouncy. Oh no! Okay, Okay. Yum. Whoa. That isn't very skibbity. Yum. Yup. Oh my god. Okay, I did it. I don't think I can do it in an amount of time. Oh my. Yo, I don't want to do this. Yo, but who's yo? I'm the real thing. Ha! The fake one died. I'm the real one. Okay, anyway. Okay. I'm just not gonna speak. Yo, no! Yo, you didn't hear that. Okay, yo, who's this levitating? Okay. Oh, money. Yo, money. Yo, where's the money? There's no money. Where's my money? Oh! Stop the fire or the barrels will explode. I'm just gonna go somewhere. Stop the fire or the barrels will explode. The barrels exploded, you lose. At least I didn't die. Yo, why is there a hotel wall here? Yo! Find the button. Yo, hello. Yo, where's the button? Oh my god. Oh, you reached the end. Thingy babobble. Why is so many people thingy babobble? No! I was almost at the end. What? Oh wait. Oh, okay. I'm gonna outrun this tsunami. I can't. Okay, well, it was fun while it lasted. E-boy masterminds. Yo, you're really tall. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, monkey skin. You're the fake one. I'm the real one. Okay, anyways, that was very serious. Complete the obvious step of the snowman. Yo, this is really hard. Okay, I'm not doing that one. Okay. That's like the only one. So, I get to do this one, which is like a tight rope. Okay, well. Yo, what's the snow pot? Yo, what's the snow? Yo! What was that for? A giant volcano. Yo, where's a giant volcano? I have to play natural disaster. Oh! I have to play natural disaster sometime. Yo, why is it so hard? Dude, that's scary. Oh, okay. We still playing. Okay. Yeah. Yo! Okay, the middle might not be any so. Oh my god. Whoa. Yo. Yum. Yummy. Yeah, okay. Okay, I actually survived for a split second. Hey, snowballs. I just called them snowballs. Yeah, that's right, snow. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm done. I survived. We'll survive. I like this one. So it's the best. Okay. Yo, wait, what? Oh, no. Okay, well that's not. Oh, whoa. Yeah, better not. Who's gonna win? No one won. Okay, man. Yo, what happened? Yo, why am I so tiny? I'm so tiny. Yo, look at me, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Oh, whoa, yo. I'm just gonna stay in the middle right here. Avoid the rocks. Oh, the rocket. You want some? I got an. Oh my, jeez. I got a nice drift. Oh my, yeah. Okay, I'm coming at you, bro. Yo, what was that? Kaboom! Yo, these rockets are heavy. I just got my nice drift. You know, I just hit you, E-boy. Okay, anyways, sorry. Yo, is that like a ball? Oh wait, that's a mine. That's not. I thought that was like a ball. Whoa. I have to survive this with my time. Oh my god. With my tiny assembly, we can do this. Oh my jeez. Okay, so five silver guy. Oh my, yo, Legos, stop. Yo, okay. My drift is a little bit. Yo, I'm the. Oh my. Okay, well. Yo, why are you so bouncy? Yo, that scared me. Escape. What? No. Yo, wait, I can just go. Oh shoot. Yes. I can just go under the doors. Yes. Escape the bank. Oh shoot. Okay, well. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god. Okay, well, swap the bank and escape the bank. I did it. With my tiny self. Yo, why am I jumping so high?